Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete all files from Google Drive at once. So it's pretty easy to delete a file here. All you have to do is to select that specific file and you will see this trash bin or this delete icon at the top and you can delete that, or you can just simply click the three dots and you will see the delete or move the trash. However, if you want to delete all of these files, so all you have to do is to select all and then drag the cursor to the very last file that you wanted to delete. And then after that, you can tap this delete icon, or you can just simply right click and tap the delete icon or move to trash. As you can see, if I tap this, then it will delete all the files that I have selected. Also, apart from that, you can also simply select all if you don't want to select any. If you want to delete all of this, then you can select all from the file or the start file that you wanted to delete up to the very last. So, Control A and then delete. So, if you have deleted the files and you wanted to undo or you wanted to restore this, all you have to do is go to trash and then select it all again. Now you will see this option right here if you really delete it permanently or empty the trash, or you want to restore or move it back to your folder. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.